How did letters begin? Can you imagine a world without letters? Without them, we could not read books or record important promises. Could knowledge grow and pass on as it does today? Letters store and share our thoughts and knowledge. Like stacking items in a warehouse, we store knowledge with letters. Without letters, we could not have passed what we learned to the next generation, and science and technology would not have developed as they have today. So how did letters begin? Long ago in Mesopotamia, farming developed and created a need to record the number of livestock and the amount of grain. They needed answers to questions like, how much grain remains? And how many animals are there? So, they began to draw pictures to record them. Over time, these pictures became simpler and turned into lines. The Sumerians sharpened the ends of reeds and pressed them into clay tablets to carve symbols. Because the marks looked like wedges, we call this system cuneiform. At first, the symbols simply represented objects, but they gradually expressed more complex meanings. For example, the Sumerians combined the symbol for bread with the symbol for mouth to create the meaning to eat. Can we also create new meanings in this way? Around the same time, Egypt developed hieroglyphs. These symbols looked like pictures, and they were visually beautiful. At first, they represented objects themselves, but over time their meanings expanded. For example, the symbol of a lion came to represent not only a lion, but also courage. In this way, a single image came to carry two meanings. Another change took place. In a small port called Byblos near Mesopotamia, different cultures mixed and a new writing system emerged. Semitic people created letters in a simpler way, focusing on sounds. This later developed into the Phoenician alphabet. As it spread to Greece, it became the root of the modern Western alphabet. In the East, people developed Chinese characters. Each character carries a single meaning. This makes meaning easy to grasp, but as what people wanted to express grew, the number of characters also increased. As a result, the rules between form and sound become more complex, and we find them harder to learn. The earliest form of Chinese characters is the oracle bone script from the Shang dynasty. People carved pictures on turtle shells and animal bones to ask the gods. Over time, these symbols grew in number and spread across many parts of East Asia. Here is one interesting point. Cuneiform in Mesopotamia and hieroglyphs in Egypt eventually disappeared, but Chinese characters remain in use today. Why did this difference arise? Did convenience alone determine it? In fact, the fate of a writing system is closely tied to the power of the society that uses it. Writing systems from influential societies tend to survive and spread widely. For the same reason, the alphabet is widely used today in computers and on the internet. What will happen in the future? As technology advances, we may use far fewer letters than we do now. But one thing is clear: letters are not just symbols. They are the result of how human life has evolved. Even the letters we are using now come from a very long history of change. Is that not remarkable?